Hey, how's it going? Hope you're well. I understand how challenging it can be to learn Wing Chun at home or to learn Wing Chun online. And in an effort to help with your studies, I wanted to share some Wing Chun terminology with you. So this terminology here comes out of my original IWTA International Wing Chun Association handbook. This is what the cover looks like. Seems like a lifetime ago that I started studying Wing Chun and got this handbook, but what I wanted to do was share with you the terminology and definitions. So I've taken this terminology, put it up on my blog. I'll leave a link in the description below that will take you to the page. And then on the page itself, I've also turned this into a downloadable PDF for you so you can keep it for yourself for future studies. If you do have any questions about the terminology or Wing Chun in general, please feel free to ask in the comments below. And then if there's any future videos on Wing Chun that you would like me to make, some Wing Chun topics, let me know about that in the comments below. And to get you started with some videos, I do have a Wing Chun playlist that I will link to in the description below as well. Here are a couple that you can go and check out right now if you like. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to see future videos, consider subscribing to the channel by clicking on that subscribe button below. Turn on the notification bell and you'll get notified of future videos as they come out. And until next time, take care, be well, see you soon.